The anime niche is one of the best on YouTube because it is evergreen and will always remain relevant. In this video, you will learn how to use a single AI tool to create the same kind of epic short anime films without any drawing skills. And you will be able to launch your channel today and start from zero on the path to monetization. First, we go to the Flova AI website. Here we will create a full video. This tool allows you to create short films. We click Create New, and a new project is created. Now here we can write a prompt just like in ChatGPT, and the neural network will do everything by itself. However, you shouldn't write everything at once. Before writing the prompt, you can configure the model, for example. Choose ChatGPT or any other model. You can select models for images, video, and voiceover. Set it up in a way that works best for you. Personally, I prefer the Nano Banana model. In general, configure it however you want, and let's move on. First, we describe our characters how they will look, give them names, define the style and graphics. In my story, there will be 4 people: a main character who will rescue his girlfriend, and 2 criminals who kidnapped her. You can also add background characters if you want. After you write this, Flova AI will suggest the next steps: writing the script, choosing the format, the voiceover language, locations, and what will happen frame by frame. That's exactly what we do. Create your own story and describe it from 0 seconds up to 3 minutes. For example, at first my character is just walking, then he sees a building and enters it. Don't miss such details. I write the script using ChatGPT. I came up with the story myself, but ChatGPT helped structure it frame by frame. That's why you should always come up with your own story. After that, the neural network will start generating the script on its own, splitting it into scenes and creating character visuals. We just wait. And as you can see, now we have a full scene-by-scene script and generated characters, which is really cool. If you don't like the look of a character, you can easily change it. The quality is very high, and that's exactly what I need. Next, we move on to generating images. I recommend asking the AI to generate no more than 4 or 5 images at a time, so it's easier to edit or continue without getting confused. We write a prompt to start generating images step by step, describing each image and what should be in it so Flova AI understands better. You can follow my example. I describe 4 to 5 images, then just wait for the AI to generate them. In my opinion, this is very convenient. Now the first images are ready, very high quality and in the right anime style. I like it. If something doesn't suit you, you can simply write a prompt and ask the AI to regenerate it. We continue creating images. As you can tell, my story is quite simple but includes combat scenes. The idea is that the main character is searching for the girl he needs to save. He hears strange sounds in a building and realizes she is there. Meanwhile, 2 men are holding her hostage and interrogating her. The main character breaks into the building, finds the right door, breaks it down, and a fight begins. They fight for a long time, but in the end, the main character saves the heroine in the red dress and carries her in his arms. The plot is simple but dramatic. You can come up with something better, for example, 2 characters fighting with superpowers on a universe-level scale. You can create very cool fight scenes and visuals. Meanwhile, I continue finishing the images. I reworked some of them, so don't worry if something goes wrong for you, just upload the images and write a prompt explaining how you want them changed. After you finish creating the images, the next step is animating all the scenes. The AI will suggest animation by itself, so we simply write, animate the images. The process will start, and you'll need to wait. It will take up to 10 images and animate them, and so on. Your only job is to watch how the animation is created. While the animation is processing, I want to remind you once again, if you rely only on the neural network for the story, you may not get monetization. Always create your own story. This is very important. My first animations are ready. Wow, this looks great, very high quality. Again, if needed, you can regenerate each scene individually. We wait until all images are animated. Done. I've fully finished. There are just a few small steps left, and we can export the entire project. The AI will offer voiceover, dialogues, or sound effects, but it will regenerate the images again. We won't add sounds or dialogues here, but if you want, you can ask it to do so. I will add everything later in a video editor. Now we ask it to add music and create a complete video ready for export. I think it's clear what to do here. It generates the music, and that's it. Now it creates the full video, and after that, we are taken to the second tab, the timeline. Here you can trim the video as you like, add or remove parts. In the top right corner, click Export, then Video. Wait for the export to finish, and download it. Congratulations, now you have a finished animation. Flova AI is an excellent tool that allows you to create full films using an AI agent. I sincerely recommend it. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to register on the website. Let's move on to the final stage. In the video editor, we will make the full final version of our short anime film. Upload your video to the project and drag it onto the timeline. Now choose the moments you want to cut. For example, I will remove the extra parts that don't look very good. You can also speed things up or slow them down. You can do anything you want. And don't forget to add different sound effects so the animation feels natural. I will keep the music from Flova AI but lower the volume a bit. Try to add sounds that match the animation well. I'm done now. As you can see, I added some sounds and I'm exporting the finished video. As always, in the best settings. And finally, let's see what we got. It turned out really cool, I'm satisfied, and all of this was done with a single tool. What do you think? Share your results in the comments. That's it, guys. Flova AI is a great tool, and if you want, you can get a subscription for more creative possibilities. I hope this video was useful for you. I showed you an almost fully automated workflow for YouTube. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new trends. See you soon.